Connecting your YouView box to your smart TV involves several key steps to ensure optimal performance. We'll walk through each connection and setup step systematically. First, let's look at the overall connection setup. You'll need to connect 4 main cables: the aerial cable for Freeview channels, an HDMI cable for video output, an Ethernet cable for internet, and the power cable. Step 1. Connect the aerial cable to your YouView box. This coaxial cable with an F connector provides access to all Freeview channels. Make sure the connection is tight to ensure good signal reception. Step 2. Connect the HDMI cable between your YouView box and TV. Use HDMI 2.0 or higher for 4K content support. This high-quality digital connection ensures the best picture and sound quality. Step 3. For the most stable internet connection, connect an Ethernet cable from your router to the YouView box. This wired connection is recommended for 4K streaming and provides more reliable performance than Wi-Fi. Step 4. Connect the power adapter to your YouView box and plug it into a wall outlet. Make sure to use the original power adapter that came with your device for optimal performance and safety. Step 5. Power on both your YouView box and smart TV. Then select the correct HDMI input on your TV to display the YouView interface. Look for the HDMI port number you connected to, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Step 6. Follow the on-screen setup wizard to configure your network settings. You can choose between Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Modern YouView boxes support dual-band Wi-Fi, but ensure you have a strong signal for smooth 4K streaming. Step 7. Run an automatic channel scan to tune into available Freeview channels. Check the signal strength for all channels to ensure reliable reception. If signal strength is weak, you may need to adjust your aerial position. Finally, test your on-demand services to confirm your internet connection is working correctly. You should now have access to BBC iPlayer, iTV Hub, and other streaming services through your YouView interface. Your YouView box is now successfully connected to your smart TV. You have access to both Freeview channels and on-demand streaming services. Enjoy your enhanced viewing experience. When experiencing weak signal issues with your YouView box, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. The most common cause is poor aerial positioning or loose connections. Start by repositioning your aerial to get better signal reception. Check all cable connections are tight and secure. If the signal remains weak, consider installing a signal booster to amplify the incoming signal. Intermittent reception problems are often caused by interference from other electronic devices or outdated software. These issues can be frustrating as they come and go unpredictably. To resolve intermittent reception, try moving interfering devices away from your YouView box and aerial. Most importantly, check for software updates which often contain fixes for reception issues. When your YouView box cannot access internet services like catch-up TV and on-demand content, the problem is usually related to your network connection or router settings. First, verify your network settings on the YouView box. Then restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Also, check that your internet bandwidth meets the minimum requirements. HDMI connection problems are among the most common issues with YouView boxes. These can range from no picture at all to poor quality or intermittent display problems. For HDMI problems, try different HDMI ports on your TV. Ensure you're using a high-speed HDMI cable rated for 4K content. You can also try disabling and re-enabling CEC settings on both devices. CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control, allows your TV and YouView box to communicate with each other. Sometimes disabling and re-enabling this feature can resolve HDMI handshake issues. HDMI handshake problems occur when devices cannot properly negotiate their connection. The most effective solution is power cycling both your YouView box and TV simultaneously. According to a 2024 UK broadband performance study, using Ethernet connections instead of Wi-Fi can reduce streaming issues by up to 40%. This makes a significant difference for reliable viewing. The Confederation of Aerial Industries recommends ensuring your aerial is properly aligned for optimal performance. Additionally, remember that 4K streaming requires a minimum internet speed of 25 megabits per second. By following these troubleshooting steps systematically, you should be able to resolve most common YouView box issues. Remember to check signal strength, verify connections, restart devices when needed, and ensure your internet speed meets requirements for the content you want to watch.